Hi everyone, I'm Sherin George, Head of the Department for Physiotherapy at SPARSH Hospital. Today I'll be talking about the functional rehabilitation of ankle injuries. The important consideration in the rehabilitation of ankle injury, it includes the management of the acute inflammation, range of movement, proprioception and the strength. Functional rehabilitation has 4 aspects, that is range of movement, strength, proprioception and most important is activity-based rehabilitation. Balance and proprioception we need to add in the early phase of the rehabilitation. Why? Ankle, as you know, it is known for its stability and mobility. So ankle joint should respond and adapt to the perturbations. Important aspect of advanced ankle rehab strengthening is loading the ankle by applying intentional force in specific range of motion. And optimal load distribution via eccentric contraction is also very important. Thank you.